Hello, my name is Philip Gray. I came to the USA in 2015. Only having hospitality and tourism management education, it was really hard to find a job in my field. All I could count on were part-time gigs for $10 an hour. I could only afford rent for a shared room. It was safe to say, life was hard. After a year of struggling, I decided to look for ways to change my life for the better. Then I saw an article where the researchers predicted by 2018 the need for IT specialists would go up by 3 million. That sounded really amazing to me, and I decided to explore the IT market. After 1.5 months of exploring different IT training options with numerous different organizations, I decided to use the training offered by Learnix Center. Why Learnix Center? The main thing that attracted me to Learnix Center was the fact that they provided career training, support in finding a job, interview preparations, and postgraduate support. Also, Learnix Center had a great employment rate among their students. Plus, in addition to the knowledge, I also had real hands-on experience with project IT managers that gave me a real advantage. After 3 hard months of effort, I finally gained the IT skills that I needed. And it's safe for me to say that it was my first big step into the IT world. A team of dedicated professionals cared about my success, and they did everything to help me in my new career development. I had an internship for 2 months, and then I finally got my first job as a software tester in one of the leading companies in the USA. I just want to say major thanks to Learnix Center, as I couldn't have done it without you.